So, Julian, got you on camera here. So how's it going? Doing okay in there? You have anything you want to say to your grandpa or your uncle or your mom?
If you didn't make any of this, you missed out. And also,
yeah.
I have a dining table, right? Hey,
oh, that's your dining room table. Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So we'll bring your eggs out in the morning in there. Okay, cool.
No, saucy things, because I would need something to wipe.
Well, that's true. Yeah, there's no eating inside your box, right?
No, I get to eat inside my box, just no saucy things that can go over.
Okay. Well, we'll serve your coffee like out here on the porch, and then you can come out and get it.
Yeah, because right now it's on the porch, but my house is on the porch, but it should be over there in the day.
Okay, cool.
Then I'm going to get 2 more rooms. Yippee. A bedroom to play with.
All right, well, tell everybody good night.
Tell everybody good night.
That was Remy. Oh, and there's Minu coming to check out the scene. What the heck is Julian doing in there? He's not interested. Well, in case anyone wants to know, it's going to be 27 degrees outside tonight, but Julian is equipped with my sub-zero rated sleeping bag. Show it, Julian. Let's see it.
Sleeping bag.
Yep, that's the sleeping bag, rated for sub-zero weather. So, you know, technically he should be okay in this empty washing machine box. Over and out.